how to create a kids Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Netflix profile for your kids. Let's dive right in. Open up the Netflix app and then go to My Netflix in the bottom right corner and then tap on the profile and you can see add profile option. Tap on it. Now you can see kids profile made for kids 12 and under, but parents have all the control. Just toggle it on and then put in a profile name. Now you can even choose an icon by tapping in the pencil icon, and now you can choose an icon for your kid. Just tap on it and then hit save in the top right. And that's it. Your Netflix kids profile will be created. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.